Good morning, children. Today, Thursday. Have you finished your breakfast? Yes. Have you sing the rhymes? ABCD rhymes? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All of you sing a rhymes in your home? Yes, very good. I hope you. Okay, very good. Today we are going to learn. Yesterday we all learned capital A, capital B, capital C. Today we have learn capital D. All of you capital D. All of you say capital D. Small d. What is the small d? Another capital D is a small d. Okay, children. What is this? This is a dog. Have you liked dog? It is also one of the pet animal. Okay, but dog. Have you liked dog? Yes, all of them like dog. Okay, ma'am. Because of it. என்னது ரொம்ப நன்றி உள்ள நாய் அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் ஓகேவா D for dog all of you say D for dog D for dog okay D for duck duck எல்லாரும் பாத்திருக்கீங்களா okay where it is live in water or land both sides also it is live okay-வா என்னது duck வாத்து okay D for duck D for drum one of the playing things drum have you drum yes in your home yeah very good childhood you play with drum okay as a sound which sound is drum coming from which sound yeah dum okay yeah that is drum have you liked drum sound yeah very good what is this this is dinosaur one of the old animal in our world சரிங்களா now it is not another available living here so another old age ancient world it is live in our world okay va this name was dinosaur D for dog D for duck D for drum D for dinosaur D for dinosaur okay what's the letter this is another capital D small d capital D small d capital D small d tomorrow the same homework circle the capital D and small d capital D ஐயும் small d என்ன பண்ணணும் நம்ம circle பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணணும் மிஸ்ஸுக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல சென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும் you put the capital D and capital D and small d also you put the circle capital D and small d also already given the circle then you follow the letter then where another small this is small d this is small d this is capital D this is small d have you put the circle in your home after you send your homework okay we are going to next page okay what is this yeah this is an elephant say biggest animal okay va biggest animal which color of the elephant yeah in black in color okay what's a letter E what's a letter E letter E what's a letter E what's a letter E first you put the straight line and give them put the sleeping line 3 sleeping line you put now that is called a letter E this one letter small e what is this small e what is this small e what is this small e. Okay, E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. What is this? E for eye. Ellarum touch your eye, all of them. Touch your eye. Touch your eye. What is this? Eyes. Touch your eye, all of you. Touch your eye. Yeah, very good. Touch. Have you touched? Have you no eyes? Where is our body? Yeah, very good. That is one eye. E for eye. E for eye. E for elephant. E for elephant. Then E for egg. Have you like egg? Yeah, it is contain protein. It is contain nada protein. Yes, very good. Growing help to sub protein egg. So you eat must daily. You eat must egg. Okay, children. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? Daily என்ன பண்ணணும்? எக்கு சாப்பிடணுமா? சரி, யாரும் பிடிக்காது அப்படிலாம் மம்மிட்ட சொல்லி அழுதுட்டு அடம் முடிச்சிட்டு இருக்க கூடாது. You must eat grow for egg. Okay, ma? What is this? Engine. What is this? Engine. Have you traveled in a train? Yeah, very. Have you liked? Yeah, do you like? Yes, very good. எல்லாருக்குமே ட்ரெயின்ல போகிறது பிடிக்காம இருக்காது. இன்ஜின் ட்ரெயினில் இந்த இன்ஜின் இருந்தால் தான் என்ன பண்ணும், நம்மளை பின்னாடி பேக்கப் வச்சு அழைச்சிட்டு கூட்டிகிட்டு இன்னொரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு ட்ரெயின் மூவ் ஆகும். ஸோ ட்ரெயினோட என்னது சின்ன என்ஜின் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். சொல்லுங்க. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for eye. E for egg. E for engine. Okay, that is a small e. That is a capital E. That is one small e. That is capital E. Already you know the last class. So revision. So all of you must read and send your homework. Okay, circle the capital E and small like that. It's the previous paper. Okay, va? Then you put the circle small. One example given here. Circle the small e is small e and capital E. So already given the example. You follow that one. Okay, ma? You put the circle where capital E. This is what is this? Is small e or capital E? Yes, capital E. So you put the circle. This one, yeah, C. So you don't put, because you put only E only. Okay, well, what is this? Yeah, small e. So you put the circle small e. So you put the circle small e. What is the letter? Did you know? No. Now only you complete E. Enough. Okay. So you didn't know. This, what is this? Yeah, D. D for dog. Already we all learned. So this is D. So don't put the circle. What is this? Yeah, capital E. So you put the circle capital E. Okay. What is this? Yes. What is this? E. Small e. So you put the circle this one also. So put the circle this one. So this is not E. So this is small e. Is put the circle. So tomorrow you must follow this homework. Okay. Then what is the letter? F. What's the letter? F. What's the letter? F. Capital. First another. Put the straight line and put the sleeping line and shorter sleeping line. You put this is called a F. Capital F. This one small f. This one small f. This one small f. Small f. Very good. What is this? Yeah, fish. Do you like fish for eating? Yeah, very good. It is also one of the protein. Protein food. Okay, ma? Very good. It contains protein. Okay, fish. Okay, fish. F for fish. F for swimming in the water. Okay, ma? F for fish. F for fan. Do you know fan? Do you know fan? Have in your home? Yes, very good. All of them having fan. Okay, so coming from yard. Okay, fan. If F for fish, F for fan, F for flag. What is a flag? Yeah, our national flag. What is this? Our national flag. F for flag. Our national flag. We should give respect our national flag. We should respect our national flag. Okay, very good. What is this? Frog. Have you liked the game? Flag racing? Yeah, very good. Frog. What is this? Frog. F for fish. F for fan. F for flag. And F for frag. All of you should follow that one. You put the circle small f and capital F. Capital F and small f. Okay, children? Tomorrow you must do the homework and send me.